Hello and welcome for a new episode of Meet Our Speakers for the PUG Challenge 2025. Today I'm with Deividas. Hello, Deividas.
Hello there.
Nice to have you on board. You are a test automation engineer, is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so you do what we expect the users should do, testing.
In a way, I guess, we usually joke about that the best testing is in production. So,
Yes, yes,
but that's a joke. That's a joke.
that's a
It's
joke.
not
That's
good.
a joke.
Yeah.
Yes. No, no, you're right. You're right. But I ask you because you have a session that's called how to unit why the unit testing is not enough and how to achieve full test coverage.
Yep.
How can we achieve full test coverage?
As always, it depends on the project, but usually the way how testing works, unit tests are written by developers.
Yeah,
So unit tests are supposed to test if the new functionality is working correctly, but it's isolated.
yeah.
But the whole system, like it doesn't matter. It's if it's a web UI or another kind of application. It always has many integrations. It has like UI elements. You have loads of stuff that's like floating around and can break.
Mm-hmm.
That's where we come, I guess. And yeah, like if unit tests would be enough, there would be no testers.
Mm-hmm.
So in order to cover pretty much everything, for example, if we have like web UI based application, we have to have unit test, API test, web UI based test, integration test, and so on and so forth. So
Yeah.
that's what I'm gonna talk about and show.
But you use tools for that, I suppose.
Yeah, of course. So the usual flow is when a tester test everything, which is like happy path, non-happy path. So you know that the functionality is working correctly. The best, I guess, most efficient and the way is to write auto test, which would be ran in regression. In
Mm-hmm.
regression means that, like for example, if you have new functionality, some functionality that was developed before might break. So that's
Mm-hmm.
regression.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
yeah, when you write an auto test, of course, it's going to take a bit longer than to do it manually. But if you're going to run it like 10 times, it's
Mm-hmm.
already faster. It's cost efficient.
Mm-hmm.
And another thing about auto tests, which is really beneficial, you do not have like human error. You can do like performance testing with it. You can do it overnight. You can do it like every single hour if you want to. You just run auto tests, or if you have like those auto tests set up in a pipeline, those pipelines can have like an hour set when it's gonna run, and you can run it before deployment. After there is an update in main branch, like loads of like adjustments.
And
Very
and you
convenient.
can have like a robot to do the testing for
Yeah,
you.
in a way.
Okay, okay. Well, it sounds very interesting and very important subject because without testing, it is really impossible to deliver. I will remind the viewers that the PUG Challenge 2025 will be in two places. The first edition is in Boston, USA, from the 28th of September until the 1st of October. And the second edition is the PUG Challenge in Valencia, in Spain, from the 5th until the 7th of November 2025. To get your tickets, you just go over to the website. Uh, it's pugchallenge.org. I can show it. And you can just, if you go to the website, the first button you can click is get your tickets. And that's what I suggest everyone to do to see very interesting sessions and Davidas live on stage. Thank you for your availability and looking forward to see you in the PUG Challenge.